Yeah,
Okay.
it's like glitching down the wall.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Let's go.
Hello.
Guys, I don't know about you. I'm chilling.
Bro, you're
Chilling
flying.
in midair, yeah.
Dude,
I don't know
Zach.
what's going on with you
Okay, I
guys.
am so laggy right now. What the hell?
It's just a black screen.
Yeah, it's a black screen as well. It's
I'm in.
how?
I think. I don't know. Maybe they're like corrupted.
I don't know, but everyone downloaded the same stuff.
Yeah, it thinks it's a virus.
Oh yeah, I did think it was a virus for me too.
Oh,
Yeah,
that.
look how much less laggy Zach is.
Yeah,
As
exactly.
soon as
Well,
they say that.
Zach is the only laggy one. Not gonna lie.
What? Why? Bro, that's actually crazy. I don't know.
No.
Hold on. How do you
Easy,
define lag?
easy.
Do you think lag is like the smoothest gaming experience or something?
No,
That's
well,
what
it
I-
depends. There can be internet lag and, you know, FPS lag. Samurai, we got stuck at each other.
I think Samurai's lagging a bit because he's like on the other side of the world.
And yeah, he's in Africa. I mean, I'm in Europe. I'm close to Samurai. No, get Zach out. Get Zach out.
I just
Yes. Get Zach out.
Oh shoot! I
No.
didn't realize we were
Get
on the
Samurai.
hill.
Get Samurai.
No.
Zach,
Get
go
Knight.
get
Get
Samurai.
Knight. Get
Cindy,
Knight.
get Samurai.
Samurai's gonna win. There's nothing we can do.
Yes. Get Samurai out. Shoot him in the legs. Shoot him in the legs. Shoot him in the legs. Legs.
Samurai won. There's nothing.
Shoot
there's
him in the
nothing-
legs. No.
No.
Okay, so when someone's stuck on a wall, you need to shoot them in the legs. That they go up. Okay.
Okay. Alright.
Well, in the stools, not the legs. We don't have legs.
Yeah. In the like stubs.
And the bones protruding from our feet.
The rocket explosions.
Dude, mate, what the hell? Yeah, relatable. I skipped live day.
Oh, I'm stuck. I'm stuck with that. Get Dindy.
No.
Get,
Indeed.
get Dindy.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Bro,
Yes.
Dindy's overpowered.
It's too easy, bro. It's too easy,
Everyone
bro.
target Indy.
Hell nah. Oh lord.
Do that, Dindy. Yeah.
He is a bit laggy, a tiny bit laggy, but he's much better than he was. Okay,
Zach, are you in, like,
so-
California?
So
No,
right
New
now,
York.
Wait, actually?
Yeah.
Okay.
oh,
No.
yes, haha, I won the game. Okay, let's Knight make the server again.
I just quit.
Okay, there we go. Now I join Nighthawk, the better server, without any offense, of course. Okay, so right now we're just testing to see what we will do when we actually do the trailer stuff, yeah? But we
Do you have any
will...
like meets planned out?
Not exactly. I want us to play many matches like normally. Like just like how we would do it, and then I'll just take the best moments from that.
Ah.
No.
No, I'm stuck.
Thank you.
Ah.
I can't move when I'm in that position.
Hell yeah. What, Samurai won? How does Samurai win? He's a default skin. Guys, Samurai is the only default skin.
You should add dancing.
We should bully Samurai because he's the only default skin.
Indy, you should give us the battle pass.
You know what you should do? You should add emotes.
Yeah, you should give
Yeah.
Battle Pass to testers.
Like
Yeah.
something where like a bubble will pop up with like an emotion, like in Clash Royale, but like over your head.
Oh yeah, I know that. Get them off, get them off, get them off. Oh shit.
Ooh.
Hahaha.
Spider. Why is this box lagging? Our box has bad experience.
Imagine being Samurai.
Do great.
Hey yo.
You race. Our lag.
Fuck.
It's so fast,
Hey.
You get off, bro.
Indy, stop winning.
Get out.
I'm too good, bro. I just 1v3'd, y'all. I'm like 1v3ing you right now.
Kid did the attack to die.
Oh, yes, yes.
Bro.
I just 1v3'd you.
For his own game.
Dude. Honestly, it's too easy. Get good, guys. Also, there's an in-game chat if you didn't notice. Just chat with enter. No. Hey, Samurai, no! Hey, how did Samurai win
This
this?
was too easy. I'm tryharding. Fuck you.
Dude, Samurai would beat you in a 1v1. You know that?
Yeah, last time.
Too
you
easy.
lost.
Oh.
Shut up.
Too easy.
Bro lost against me in his own game. Imagine. Nighthawk, stop using. Stop
Hey,
using me.
I gotta kill myself. Zach, move away. I need to kill. Oh, what the
No,
fuck?
Samurai.
Shit. Samurai, stop winning. What? Samurai won the
I'm gonna
game?
try hard.
Why did Samurai win the game?